Hello everybody, today we're going to be making arugula salad. And this is going to be with my other aunt, Renata, and I guess you could call this a family business because we have a million guest speakers and they're all our family. So super cool, super yummy. I love this salad. She always serves it when she does like grills, so like when we do a barbecue. So it's super yummy and like refreshing when you eat it with meat. So you're going to start off with your greens and your onion and maple syrup, and I'm pretty sure that she uses this because they're Canadian, so they know what's up with maple syrup. And now you're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon, and mix it all up. Then you're going to not finely, but just thinly cut some green apple. Green apples are actually my favorite apple, and I like it because it's kind of sour, so like it's sour and sweet, this salad, because the maple syrup makes it sweet. And then when you add the toasted almonds, also gives it crunch. So this is like really interesting salad. Like it's cool. It's not your everyday salad. So you should make it because we're pretty sure you'll enjoy it a lot, because I do for sure. And yeah, that's basically it. Just mix it and serve on the spot. We hope you enjoy. Happy salading with Renata.